Hello friends, how are you? In this video, we'll discuss about integration using SymPy. Okay. Now, definitely, first of all, we have to import this particular package. So that is what from SymPy import asterisk, and after that we'll see one by one. So x3, you can see first one. X to the power q is an antiderivative of 3x square. That is dy dx x to the power q plus c is nothing but 3x square, and integration 3x square dx is nothing but x to the power q plus c. Now to solve this particular part, what we can do, we can execute this particular line. So we can see here from SymPy and import asterisk x is equal to symbol. So x is nothing but a symbol, and where you have to execute this one, integrate 3 into x to the power x. So this is nothing but x to the power x square. Okay, and we can execute it. So the answer of first problem is x to the power q. Now you can see here in original problem the solution is x to the power q plus c, but SymPy doesn't return the c, so doesn't display the c part, the constant part. Okay, so if it is required you have to add extra. Okay, additionally you have to add it. Now suppose we want to execute it, we want to see it in a proper format, so you have to execute only this particular part. So if you execute only this particular part, so you can see the answer is what, x to the power q. Okay, now we can see another example. Integration k dx is equal to kx plus c. So here k is a constant, already we know, and we can execute it. So we can see here k is a symbol, but here you define k is a constant and x is a symbol, and the answer of the second is what, integrate k comma x. Okay, so integrate k with respect to x. So we can see the result. So answer is what, answer is kx. Okay, and if you execute only this particular part, we can see the actual format of this in mathematical format. So it is kx, you can see here. So integration k dx is nothing but kx plus c. Okay, next we can see integration x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, already we know. So we can execute it, so we can see the result. So we can execute the thing. Okay, now you can see the result. Now we can see if you all execute only this particular part, you can get the actual format. Okay, now you can see here, if for n not equal to -1, that is what, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, otherwise it is log x. Okay, so this is the answer. Fourth one, integration 1 by x dx is equal to ln x plus c. Okay, so we have to execute this one. So if you execute this one, we can see integrate 1 by x. So with respect to x, we have to execute divide okay, integration 1 by x dx. So hence that's why it is x is there. So the answer is what, log x. Okay, so if you execute only this particular part, so we can see in the mathematical format. So it is log x. Next we can see integration e to the power x dx is nothing but ex plus c. Okay, so that already we know. So we have to execute it. So in SymPy, so integrate e to the power x. You can see here, integrate e to the power x, and the answer is what? It is exponential x. Okay, so if you execute only this particular part, you can see the result. So the result is what, e to the power x. Okay, next we can say integration of cos x dx. The answer is what, sin x plus c. So we can see the result one by one. Okay, you can execute all the things and see the result. So if it is a cos x, answer is what, it is sin x. If it is a sin, integration of sin x, answer is what, minus cos x. And integration of tan x is what, it is minus log cos x. Okay, next we can see another integration 4x plus 2x square dx. The answer is what, 2x square plus 2x to the power q plus 3 plus c. So we can execute it, we can see the result. So here we can see, so here 4x plus 2x square plus, okay, 2x square, and if you see the result, so the answer is, this is the answer. Okay, and if you execute only this particular part, you can see in a mathematical format. Okay, see, this is the format, this is the final format. Okay, So 2x to the power cube by 3 plus 2x square. Next is what? Integration of cos x minus 4 sin x dx. The answer will be what? Sin x plus 4 cos x. So you can execute it. So we can see here, if you execute only this particular part, we can get the answer. Okay, you can see here. So answer is what? Sin x plus 4 cos x. So already you know, if you execute only this particular part, we can get in a mathematical format. So you can see the answer sin x plus 4 cos x. Okay. Now you can see next is what? Limit. So integration 4x to the power q. Okay. So here it should be dx must be there, and the upper limit and the lower limit is there. So 2 to 5. Okay. The answer is a 609. So we can see the exact answer. So if you execute it, so you can see here integration 4x to the power q. Okay, and the limit is what? X limit is what? Lower limit is what? 2, and upper limit is what? 4. And its answer is what? It is 609. Okay. Now you can see one more example. Say integration 0 to pi by 4 sin square theta. Okay. Now here we have to define theta as a constant part. After that we can execute it. So here we just see the constant part here. So this is what our, say you can take this one. Okay, and here we have to insert that theta here, then we can do this one. So if you have to insert it, and you have to check here, it is a theta, so we have to write theta. Okay, and symbol is what? It is a theta. And if you execute it, we can see the result. Okay, and see the result. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. So if you execute only this particular part, we can see the result. So if you execute this particular part, so then the answer is what? The answer is minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. Clear? That is the answer. Next, find the solution of the initial value problem. Okay, so dy by dx is what? 2x to the power q, and y2 is equal to 5. So here y is equal to x to the power 4 by 2 plus c, and that means what? 5 is equal to x to the power 4 by 2 plus c, and c is equal to what? Minus 3. So the unique solution is what? So unique solution is what? Y is equal to x to the power 4 by 2 minus 4. So how to do this one? So for that we have to execute this one. So x and y both are symbols. C is another symbol. So expression is what? Integration 2x to the power q plus x. So 2x to the power q. Okay. So 2x to the power q comma x. So comma x means what? In dy dx. So integration with respect to dx. So y0 is equal to 5. So based on, so according to this one, y0 is equal to 5 and x0 is equal to 2. And c, the value of c is what? C is equal to y0 minus the solution of that particular equation, and the final expression is what? Expression plus c. Okay, and the unique solution is this one. So we can see the result. So the unique solution is what? This one. So we can, if you execute only the expression, we can get the format in original format, in mathematical format. X to the power 4 by 2 minus 3. We can see another example. So calculate the derivative dy by dx. Integration 1, lower limit is 1, upper limit x to the power q ln within bracket 2 plus t to the power q. Okay. Now for that we have to execute these lines in SymPy. So from SymPy import asterisk xy, both are symbol, t is another symbol, and expression is what? Integrate ln 2 plus t to the power q. Okay, so 2 plus 2 to the power q, and here integrate with respect to dt, and lower limit is 1 and upper limit is x to the power q, and differentiation is what? So differentiation is expression comma x. Okay, so we can see the result, expr1. We can see the result. So this is the result. you can see this is the result. It's a huge. Okay, so you can see here this one is the result. Okay, now you can see some more complex to solve.